Hey everyone, it's Matt from M2 Expeditions. Thank you all for joining and I hope you're all doing well. I'm super excited to share with you the work I have done on the roamer this past week. In this video, I showcase how to build a wood slat wall in the cab of the truck. This was a fun project and I think it turned out fantastic. If you guys enjoyed the video, it would mean the world to me if you guys can like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy the video and thank you as always. In this shot here, I'm going to be painting the plywood that I plan on mounting to the cab wall. The next step here is I have to take off the seat belt and then the gun rack mounts for the M16s and the M4s. This step here, you're seeing me apply some Loctite construction adhesive to the wall of the cab so that when I put this plywood on there, it sticks in addition to the screws. Also, I don't know if it's just me, but either I got like a terrible construction adhesive tool, because man, was I squeezing this thing and there was nothing coming out of this tube. So I probably have to get like a better distribution device. This in here is I'm screwing in wood to metal screws so that the plywood can stay attached to the cab wall. In this scene here, I'm just measuring out the plywood so that I can cut it and then put it inside of the cab.
Hello. Hi.
Is that a gnats? In this portion of the video, me and my girlfriend are painting the wood slats with a old maple color, if I remember correctly, old maple. I think the color turned out pretty good, but funny story, actually I bought a different color than this. It was called a Fiesta Orange, and my girlfriend was like, no, that's way too orange. So then we had to sand down everything and start over, but I think this color turned out fantastic for that slat wall. In this next bit here, I'm putting up the framing for the slat wall. So I'm doing the top piece and then the bottoms. And then once I have those in place, then I'll start putting the individual wood panels. Alright, now let's put these LEDs in. I noticed at the end of this slat wall that it was kind of crooked. I didn't show it here, but basically went in and then realigned them to be straight. And then so this final cut here is the final product. I think it turned out pretty good. What do you guys think?